Hi, my gardening friends. Welcome to Tea Time Tuesday, Tips and Techniques. I am in a senior living community, limited space, but this is our garage. Let me show you. We have underground, that's our workshop, wood shop, and so they have an area for leftover wood. But this is our underground garage, heated and cooled. They just took down a pole barn, so everything that was in the pole barn is now down here until they get a new area to store it. But the reason I'm showing you this is tips and techniques. I have an oscillating fan. I just got done with drying stinging nettle and my comfrey, the first harvest, big harvest from it. And now on the top, I have that white wild rose I showed you in the wild area. That's drying on the top rack. And then on the bottom rack is, oh, what did I put on there today? Oh, thyme. Yes. Yep, thyme. It was flowering, so I picked the flowers and everything. But the tip I want to give you, at least for us, is I'm using old window screens here. Three Pillars is updating all their windows in the building. And so the men saved me and gave me some of the screens, which makes it ideal for me drying my herbs. And garlic will be coming in soon, and this is going to be perfect because last year I didn't use my oscillating fan. This year I will. It dries a lot quicker. Extra screens, but oh yeah, and then I remind them that I'm drying herbs. Don't go doing anything here to my area. But very fortunate I have it. And this was our potting up area too, or transplanting, or we have house plants, we bring them down here to do it. So my friends, that's the tip and technique. Use your old window screens, which some of you probably do, for drying our herbs. Take care, and thanks for coming and seeing me. Maybe you'll chat with me for a while. I appreciate it. I missed you.